Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stew. First, prepare your ingredients by cutting 2 pounds of beef or lamb into roughly 1.5-inch cubes. Next, chop 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion into 1-inch pieces. Have 4 cups of beef broth and your favorite herbs, like bay leaves and thyme, ready to go. This initial preparation is key for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get some flavor going. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown the meat in batches until nicely seared on all sides, then remove it. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion to the pot and sauté them for about 5 minutes until they soften slightly. Deglaze the pot with 1/2 cup of red wine or extra broth, scraping up any brown bits. It's time to bring everything together for that rich stew flavor. Return the browned meat to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in the 4 cups of beef broth, ensuring the meat is mostly submerged, and add your bay leaves and thyme. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and cook for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the meat is fork tender. Almost there. To thicken your stew, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with an equal amount of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering stew until it reaches your desired consistency. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your delicious, hearty stew hot, perhaps with some crusty bread. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.